Hey guys and girls, looks like this video is going to be about this brand new box of Xgt 40V Makita gear. This is a 6-piece kit. It retails for over 2,000 Australian dollars and it's going to be Makita's new 40V platform. As a carpentry apprentice when I was 17 years old, my first ever power tool purchase was a Makita tool. It was a 185mm or 7¼ inch circular saw. I have an extensive range of these tools and I've used them my entire working career. So let's see what's in the box. First tool, rotary hammer, reciprocating saw, 5-inch or 125mm angle grinder, hammer driver drill, impact driver, and 185 or 7¼ inch circular saw. The kit also includes a charger, a 18V battery to 40V charger adapter, and two 4Ah 40V batteries. I was after more runtime, so I actually got 3. There has been a lot of discussion on building sites as well as YouTube about the 40V versus 18 or 36V platforms. There are going to be similarities, such as this 40V battery operating at 36 volts once slightly discharged, hence the 40V max. There are going to be some differences, such as the older technology and smaller physical size of the lithium-ion cells in these older 5Ah 18V batteries, compared to the larger physical size and new technology that goes into the lithium-ion cells of this 4Ah 40V battery. Two things I already know: these two 18V batteries will give you longer runtime than this one 40V battery, and also this 18V battery will charge significantly faster on this 40V charger than the equivalent 18V charger. I will cover things like this in greater detail in future videos. This is my current collection of Makita saws. Sizes range from 165 to 185 up to 235mm or 6.5, 7¼ 9.5 inches. I have different styles such as top handle and rear handle, and a variety of different power sources. This is a corded 240V, 18V, 36V or 18V times 2, and of course 40V. I will be making more head-to-head tool comparison videos. There will be more discussion about the 36V versus 40V battery technology, and I will generally cover all the different features of these tools. You know I'm going to buy more 40V tools, and of course there will be 40V times 2, 80V high output tools to look forward to in the future. Tell me what you want to see. I will do my best to make that happen. Like, subscribe. I'll catch you later.